Ang sabi ni Kong Ridon, they cannot be witnesses and lawyers at the same time. He made mention about witnesses because looking back to the 2024 inquiry by the Committee on Good Government, it appears na nagkaroon ng participation si Attorney Monsayak at si Attorney Poa, no matter how slight in the alleged process in the utilization of the confidential fund. Having said so, there is a possibility that the prosecution might be calling Attorney Monsayak and Attorney Poa to the witness stand, no? Remember that these two are either COS or spokesperson of either the OVP or the DepEd, no? I am not certain anymore which is which, no? Basta what is important, they were people who are associated to the VP during the period when the alleged misuse took place, no? So there is a very big possibility i-present sila ng prosecution as witnesses, perhaps as hostile witnesses. If that happens, and we allow their entry of appearance as lawyers of VP, pwedeng ma-raise yung rule ng privileged communication between a lawyer and a client, which means na lahat ng pinag-usapan ng abogado at ng kliyente within the definition of the attorney-client relationship cannot be divulged in court because it is protected by the rule on privileged communication, no? So dito nang gagaling yung sinasabi ni Kong Ridon na conflict of interest. How can you be a witness and a lawyer at the same time, no? Because if that happens, tinawag sila ng prosecutors to the witness stand, what are we gonna say to them once they raise the rule on privileged communication that they cannot testify with respect to the communication that they had already between them as lawyers and the VP as the client, no? So there is where conflict of interest arise. But of course, this will be addressed in the Justice Committee if Kong Ridon will formalize his objection to the entry of appearance. There's a possibility pagbotohan ito ng justice members whether or not to allow the entry of appearance of Attorney Monsayak and Attorney Poa.